Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Ghostfolio. It's a modern open source tool built for tracking your wealth and investments. If you're tired of messy spreadsheets and want a clean way to see your net worth, this might be the right choice for you. The biggest thing about Ghostfolio is privacy. Most finance apps want to link to your bank account and see every move you make. Ghostfolio is different. It's designed so you can keep your data to yourself. You can even host it on your own server. This means your own data stays with you, and no big company is watching your balance. It's a breath of fresh air for people who care about digital security. The interface is very clean and easy to use. It doesn't feel cluttered or overwhelming. You get a clear dashboard that shows your stocks, crypto, and ETFs in one place. One of the best features is called Zen mode. If the market is crashing and you're feeling stressed, you can turn it on and hide the total values. It helps you stay focused on your long-term goals instead of daily price swings. Ghostfolio is great for buy and hold investors. It has tools like an X-ray view to show you where your risks are, a calculator for people planning for early retirements, and it supports many currencies and markets from all over the world. However, keep in mind that you usually have to import your data using files or enter it by hand. It won't automatically pull every transaction from your local bank account like some other apps do. You can use it for free if you host it yourself, and if you want them to host it for you, there's a small yearly fee. Overall, Ghostfolio is a solid, honest tool. It's perfect for the tech-savvy investor who wants a beautiful dashboard without giving up their privacy. It makes tracking your money feel simple and safe again. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.